project is about
vending machine
inside an app. First, we'll go to the history part. In 1780, first vending machine invented by hero of Alexandria. In 1883, first molded coins approx vending machine introduced in London, invented by Percival Everett. In 1914 to 1916, a golden era of vending machine.
2004, first vending machine invented by 5 students of University of Technology. 2017, first vending machine accept credit card and VNPay QR in Vietnam.
Let's move to the how it's work part.
Trays or racks are the holders of the products to be sold. Acceptors receive notes, coins or cards and validate them as acceptable method of payments. The dispensing part is where customers can take the products that they buy. We pull this out and we can get our product. Let's see what's inside the vending machine.
The vend motor will push the item off the trays once the customer has selected and paid for the product. The motor will turn and it will push the item off and the item will fall and the buyers can take the product that they select. The control board will manage the entire machine and ensure that the machine is connected to its server for transactional record.
There are many types of vending machine, but in this part we are going to talk about the common one. The photo booth is the vending machine that we come inside and take the photo. The newspaper and ticket is where we can take the ticket and the newspaper. The full line vending is the vending machine that sells many things. The fresh and fruit making make the food warmer. The bulk can and gumbo machine is the candy and gum machine. We can turn the button and one of the candy will fall down.
And now we'll talk about the fun fact about the vending machine. Holy water is the first item sold in the very first vending machine in Egypt. In China, living crabs are sold in vending machine. In Dubai, there are vending machines that sell real gold. In Japan, for approx 23 people, there is one vending machine.
In the USA, vending machines could also recommend drinks to buyers. In Vietnam, there are vending machines dispensing cơm tấm, which is broken rice.
This is the most interesting part. Is the future vending machine that we will invent it. The solar panel will make the solar energy become the power energy to make the vending machine to work. And the camera is to ensure the security.
This is the acceptor. The card reader can accept many payments like cash, card, and coins. The microphone is for disabled people like deaf and blind people. The touch screen for we can touch it and choose the the food we want. When the vending machine accept the command from the microphone and the touch screen, the food will fall down and we can take it like this.
And that is all about vending machine in our project.
We hope you enjoy and like it.
Goodbye!